Hey, what's up everyone? How you guys doing? Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about how to get your photos from your iPhone onto your MacBook. So um, let's go ahead and get that going. So, so what you're going to want to do, and it's pretty easy to get your photos on here. Um, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go, first thing is you're going to want to go into settings. So in your settings bar here, you're going to see you're in your settings, and you're going to want to scroll up till you find your photos. And once you find your photos, they should be right there. Let me make sure I put it on the camera. If you see that, there we go. And once you get the settings, go ahead and click on your photos. And what you're going to want to do on your photos is you're going to want to scroll down all the way to the end, okay? And at the end, it should say transfer to PC or Mac, okay? What you're going to want to do is you want to click on that bottom button there where it says, you see that, keep originals, okay? So you're going to want to do that first. So once you're done with that, you'll go back out to your home screen. And the way we're going to transfer this, we're just going to do it by USB, or I'm sorry, by the port. So what you're going to want to do is go ahead and plug into the Mac, and I'll go ahead and plug it to my iPhone here. And here we go. Now, in order to transfer them, where you're going to want to go to first is you're going to want to go to your Finder key. I don't know if I can move this down so you can see that, but if not, it should be on the bottom left of your Mac, and if you hover over it, it'll say Finder, and it'll pull it up right here. Okay. Next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to try to find image capture. So image capture is going to be this one right here. Again, this is going to be in your iFinder under Applications. Sometimes when you pull up your iFinder, it might go to desktop here, or it might move you to a different area. It depends on how you have your defaults, but mine is going to Applications. Again, in the Applications, you're going to go to the image capture. Double click on that, and as you can see, it already has my iPhone right here, and all the pictures are going to be right here. Now you have a couple options here. Let me go ahead and move this because now I've been taken out of the screen. So let me go ahead and move this down a little bit. There we go. So let me see here. So anyways, you have a couple options you can do. One of them being, now first off, you can select just one of the pictures and import one of those pictures, or you can select multiple pictures, whichever ones you want to import, or you can just import all of them. It's really up to you, okay? The other thing is, right here, you can choose where you want to import those to. You can import them to any folder or anything outside the folder, okay, if you like. It just depends on where you want to take your photos to. What I'm doing is I'm transferring all my photos into my MacBook, but I'm going to have them transferred onto an external hard drive. The reason is because I don't want to put too much on my MacBook. Right now I have probably about 512 gigabytes of hard drive space on here. So I don't want to load that up. So everything I'm keeping, as far as my documents and my pictures, my videos, everything that I'm keeping it on an external drive, so I can always utilize that external drive wherever I go, whether it's with my MacBook or anything else. Okay. So anyways, when you're ready to import your images, all you're going to do is click on the import, and what's going to happen is it's going to start importing all those images into your MacBook Pro. So hope this helps you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Look at that. That's a lot of pictures. That's why my phone is so slow. It's too many damn pictures in here. Anyways, I hope this helps you. Again, all these tricks, all these little tools I'm learning, I'm going to teach them out there. That's what I'm trying to do on my channel, is just kind of give you all the information to help you out. What I try to focus on is online marketing and affiliate marketing. That's my main focus. But again, throughout building your business and doing things, we run into little issues, situations, trying to fix little things. So I'm hoping by adding some of these things that I run across as I'm building my business, as I'm doing little things, I always like to share that information, because I think what helps the most is sometimes you have this little problem that you run across, and you can't figure it out, and it's always nice to know somebody else has kind of figured it out for you. You can always find it online somewhere. So anyways, that's why I do these videos, little helpful tricks and tips. If you like my channel, please like and subscribe. There should be a subscribe button around here. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them below. I'm just starting this channel out, so I'm trying to build content. I'm trying to put as much content in here, again, trying to share as much value. That's my purpose of my channel. My channel is basically just about value and sharing as much of it as I can. If you'd like to find out what I'm doing and how I'm building my business, my affiliate marketing business, there is a link below to show you what I'm doing. Beside that, my main focus is just on sharing value and helping out as much as possible. Okay, you guys have a great evening or a great day. Again, like and subscribe. Take care.